I'd like to introduce you to Spice Market. This is a very festive, beautiful collection. Papers, of course, Dazzles, you might guess, ribbons, we always have. We also have flowers and exclusive button collection, but we also have these butterflies. Now, before I get to those, I want to get to the papers because that's where everything begins. Spice Market has 12 double-sided papers. They are 80-pound weight. The package will give you some ideas not only for scrapbooking but also for card making, and there are even additional projects on the back, no extra charge. And let me show you these papers because they're pretty spectacular. So you can see that black, and then these mandalas and flourishes. We even have some music notes. All of those are kind of just spilling out of the bottom. And we also have a pink sheet. Now this is tone on tone, but you can see there's a ghost of yellow back there too, and some beautiful flourishes along the edge. Now the next sheet is a white background. It also has these same types of embellishments coming from the corner, and then also this line art that's going all over the sheet and this beautiful border. Then we have a green sheet. This has got the flourish on it, and it's kind of rubbed in some areas. It's kind of worn more than others. Then we have a sheet that's got borders, and these are wide borders, and I'll show you how they can be used in one of the projects. And then we have an off-white, just beautiful looking, very rich looking. Then on the back side, you're going to have all over patterns, small in size. You're going to have some that are larger in size. You've got some dots, but again, that big pattern is ghosted behind it, as you can see. Then we have a yellow with a beautiful border print. Again, it's kind of distressed inside, hints of the green and the blue. And we also have this all over pattern. And so we've got, that is our 6 on the back, but you're going to get 2 of each, as you know. Now, a fun thing that happens with these butterflies is that when you see them against the dark, you see the gold reflecting really, really pretty. But look what happens when you put them on pink. Well, the pink pops. And then what happens when you put them on the green? Well, you didn't even know there was green there, but it kind of pops. So it's really interesting what these butterflies do. I actually predict that you can use them on any paper because they're going to pick up whatever color is there. And we wanted to keep them for Spice Market. So there are all of those, 2, 4, 6, 8 of them, beautiful. And then our Dazzles. Now our Dazzles have the silver foiling, an extra beautiful touch. As you know, there are 2 different sheets in every package. 81 is the number here. And if you want to get a close-up look, here is the artwork. You can see borders, you can see those large images and words and butterflies and all kinds of things. This too has ideas on the package just to, again, kickstart your creativity. So, Dazzles and our papers and our butterflies. We also have ribbons. Well, you know we would have ribbons. There are 12 of them. They are each 36 inches long. And as I lay them next to this first sheet, you can see how beautifully they all go with it. Now, the velvet glitter in black is just stunning. The crepes, of course, we love those. The sheer ribbons as well as twill. We have the mesh. We have dots. We have this beautiful kind of metallic looking ribbon, and even more. So 12 different ones in this collection, 36 inches each, as I said. And our flowers this time are an ivory because we just felt it gives kind of a little bit of that yellow coming in, and there's just a wonderful collection of them. And you can see that there are 9 in the package as well as some leaves. And then our button collection is also exclusive to this collection. So you can see the pearls in green, the buttons in the pinks and the purples. You're going to see some sequins in the yellow. And there are also the micro beads down in there. So just a whole collection that is designed to go exclusively with these papers. Well, those are all the bits and pieces that work together. Let me show you how you might use them. Here is a card with the pink paper using those Dazzles and the embellishments and the butterfly. Beautiful. You make my soul happy. What a wonderful encouragement card to get. And this is another using a couple of the papers together, but again, the Dazzles beautifully done. And this is a piece that was just cut out of the paper and lifted up on foam tape. Here is another one, Let Your Free Spirit Soar. So it's very much an uplifting paper collection. And you're awesome, just really, really pretty. Now for our scrapbooking, how about this? Isn't that beautiful? On that light colored paper, the Dazzles just show off so beautifully. And what a neat idea to use these to go under the paper, under the photos. So pretty. You can see the flowers, you can see the buttons, you can see the butterflies. And we have another, and this is simply, let's see, they're all over the place here. This is one of the darker sheets. As you can see, you can cut around the edge, lift them up, and let that go over your photograph, adding the Dazzles on the side or hanging from the top, whatever you like. In Harmony is over that. And you could even use it if you decide to go out for yoga or anything else, but how fun this is. I love them coming from the top. Fun to mix the papers, as you can see here. Well, this is Spice Market, and you can see all of the things that are designed to go together to make this collection just so useful and so versatile. Spice Market it is, and it can be yours now.